Hello, and welcome to the first of the Valentine's episodes of Laurice's Kitchen. For the next 3 videos, we're going to be putting together some rather unusual recipes, along with one chocolate request. First up though, just know that nothing says love like Fat Elvis, so I'm putting together his favorite meal, a bacon-fried banana and peanut butter sandwich, although we're adding a little bacon to the inside as well. Let's see what we're going to need. The ingredients for this sandwich are fairly self-explanatory. We'll need bananas, peanut butter, and bacon. Now I'm sure the king would have used white Wonder Bread, but we're using my white sandwich bread. If you'd like to make this, the link for that video is at the end of this one, as well as in the description box below. We'll also be frying this sandwich in our bacon grease. So let's put this sandwich together. We're starting with our peanut butter layer. You can put as much or as little as you want on there. I don't really think it should be too much though. This does melt. Next, the bacon goes down. And last, the banana. Now you can cut this however you want. I think it works best though if you cut it in half and then in half again lengthwise. When I was a kid, we cut these in slices and then they would fall off the sandwich. I have about 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in here along with all these brown bits. We're going to start this banana side down. There's a reason why Elvis was fat and sweaty. Let's give this sandwich a taste. Oh, the peanut butter is so melty. Happy Valentine's Day. So let's see what we're gonna need. But first, let's put this shooter to good use. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.